Problems on speed and average speed. Problem 1. A train travels at a speed of 60 km per hour for 0.6 hours, at 30 km per hour for the next 0.2 hours, and then at 70 km per hour for the next 0.9 hours. What is the average speed of the train? Let us say a train is traveling from A to B in between C. Now the speed from when it starts at A is 60 km per hour and it traveled at this speed for 0.6 hours. And then when it touches point C, it changed its speed to 30 km per hour and it traveled at this speed for 0.2 hours. Later on, it started at 70 km per hour for 0.9 hours. Let's see what are the given parameters. We know the distance traveled terminated as S is equal to speed V into time T. Therefore, S is equal to V into T. Now in the first case, V is 60 km per hour and T is 0.6 hours. Now S is equal to V into T, which is 60 km per hour into T is 0.6 hour, which is equal to 36 km. Now in the second case, speed is 30 km per hour and time is 0.2 hours. Since distance traveled is V into T, which is 30 km per hour into 0.2 hour, which will come to 6 km. And in the third case, speed V is equal to 70 km per hour and time T is equal to 0.9 hour. Hence, S is equal to distance traveled is V into T, which is 70 km per hour into 0.9 hour, which will amount to 63 km. Now the average speed is computed as total distance traveled by total time taken. In this example, now the total distance traveled is, if you take it from here, from A to C, it is 36 km and C to B 6 km and then it is 63 km. And it took the time 0.6 hours for first 36 km and for the 6 km it took 0.2 hours and for 63 km it took 0.9 hours because the speeds are varying, which is equal to 105 by 1.7, which is 61.764 km per hour. Hence, the average speed of the train is 61.764 km per hour.